Hi folks, haven't uploaded anything in a while. Uh, Honestly, I didn't plan on uploading anything ever again on this channel. However, I discovered something a while back and I wanted to wait till everything got archived and a lot of people download it so they would have possession of it so it could be verified. So we start off, if you don't already, um, go to Dale Neitzel's archive website and download Scrapbook 1 through 20 and 81 through 100. We're going to start off with Scrapbook 14. Now, this is the scrapbook where the chest was discovered in the background in Forrest Fenn's vault there. You see it right there. This posting was posted February 23rd, 2013. Now, the scrapbook itself didn't have a date on it. So what I did was Google it, and this will pop up in the search. You can see it was February 23rd, 2013, right there. So when you go to that particular scrapbook and to this picture, you can see the chest there, nice brown color. Now go to Scrapbook 81 through 100 and Scrapbook 85. Now this scrapbook was posted in July of 2014. Let it load here. July 2014, so roughly a little less than a year and a half later. Now it's the same picture. When you zoom in, it looks quite different. It's been photoshopped. Green, hunter green, with a 5-year patina. Now this is 2014, July 2014. I'm going to show you a side-by-side. Now here we are with the side-by-side view. Now the one on the left is Scrapbook 14, February 23rd, 2013. The one on the right is July 2014. Now, the FBI dropped their case in early 2014 against Fenn. Now, as you can see clearly, someone has photoshopped the chest green, hunter green, a 5-year patina. Now, I do not believe at all that it was Dale Neitzel. Dale Neitzel is a professional photographer, videographer. Dale Neitzel did not do this. So who does that leave as a process of elimination? Fenn submitted the photos to Dale Neitzel. And look at the sloppiness. That is terrible. This was not done by Dale Neitzel. This was done by Forrest Fenn. Now, the question is, why? We've already answered the who. Now the question is, why? It's because he retrieved the treasure chest in 2014. Now, was it in July, June? I think it was either July or thereafter, sometime in the fall, my personal opinion. But remember, the FBI dropped their case in 2014, early 2014. And then Fenn posted the Scrapbook 158 photo in 2016 with a 5-year patina. forced Fenn Photoshop this because he was planning on the probability of taking photos of the treasure chest and passing them off as old photos. And there you have Scrapbook 158 photo with the 5-year patina. The chase was essentially over in 2014. Now, credit where credit is due. The chase, I believe, without a doubt, was legitimate and real up until 2014. And this is the proof of it. Now, I believe he put the chest back out somewhere, probably Yellowstone, Wyoming, somewhere, tipped off Jack, and he found it. That's what I believe happened. Simple explanation. But he had possession of this chest in 2014, and the Scrapbook 158 photo proves it. It's a photo of it sitting on his kitchen table with a 5-year patina on it. This is the smoking gun. This is the proof. Thanks for watching.